Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus battery repair.
Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards. Power down your Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus phablet. Eject the SIM card and micro SD card tray. The Galaxy S8 Plus rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With a precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the sticky adhesive and carefully dislodge the rear glass panel from the chassis. You'll need to detach the very short fingerprint reader cable from the motherboard before completely moving the glass out of the way. Use a spudger to help free the Galaxy S8 Plus fingerprint reader from the adhesive securing it to the rear panel. Remove the following 15 Phillips screws. Pry up the upper antenna assembly that is combined with the NFC and wireless charging panel. Easily lift out the lower antenna assembly that includes a single speaker. The S8 Plus battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use a playing card to muscle it free from the adhesive securing it to the midframe. After a brief struggle, out pops the 3.85-volt 3500 mAh Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus battery. All the replacement parts and repair tools used in the video are available at www.fixeasy.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials.